Look no further than the 2023 Acura RDX. Who says you can't have it all? The RDX delivers performance, luxury, handling, and comfort, all in a crossover SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Experience the rugged side of luxury. Get behind the wheel of the RDX today.